Morning guys, welcome back. Getting ready to head out this weekend. So we offered to tow Kevin's brother's race car. We're heading out to a drifting event. He's always invited us to go, and this is the first time we're actually going to be making it out this time. So let's see how it goes, guys. Guys, it's so much better towing this thing with more weight. I want to say this is about, what is it, like 7,000 pounds?
Yeah, 65, 7,000 pounds.
Yeah, so the drive feels way much nicer having a little weight in the back. Guys, while the rig's moving, this is our walkway. I'm going to show you guys the back real quick. I did have a viewer ask about sitting back here. So this is a tilt up. This is a tilt up bed. So I don't think you can really sleep in this model, but you can easily walk back here. I mean, I don't think I would sleep back here because it's probably gonna roll off. But so I'm navigating back here pretty easily. The back is a little bit more bumpier, but with the car that we're towing, guys, the weight distribution is amazing. It drives so much better with a lot more weight, because I mean that's what this rig is built for. See, I get motion sickness, so I am already feeling it, guys. So I definitely would not want to sleep back here, but I mean, sitting in the dinette, let's see. I'll give it a try. Oh, it's not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm sitting in the dinette, guys. Still, I get motion sickness, guys, so it's still, I can feel it, but if you're not sensitive, it's actually not too bad. So, alright, let's try the theater seats. I think this is a better position, actually. I don't know.
Much?
Yeah, I can't sit back there. For me, it's too much. It's just too. I don't know. It's just if I were to sit back there, I just gotta get used to it, I guess. I'm just really sensitive to motion movements. But it is easy to get back there if you needed to grab something from the fridge, use the restroom. Not too bad. So guys, with these drifting events, you are allowed a passenger, and we're gonna switch off our wristbands and I'll go first. guys, let me formally introduce you guys to Kevin's brother, Kenneth.
Hi, how's it going?
Thanks for taking us out. We had so much fun. This was the event we went to. He's just putting his
Flavor
sticker
Express.
on. So much fun. I think everyone's cleaning
After
up.
8 years, they finally came. I am blessed.
Sorry.
That's okay, though. I'm glad you guys came. I knew one day you guys would.
No, we had so much fun. And thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll see you guys next week.